Hi, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to finalize an auction, either if you are the buyer or the seller. But first of all, you're going to have to connect to your wallet. Now, if you don't know how to connect to your wallet, there is a YouTube video on our YouTube channel which will explain how to do that. So after you have logged in, all you need to do is click here, click on profile, and after that you have to click on marketplace. And now here, depending on if you are the buyer or the seller, you have to click on either buy auctions if you are the buyer, or sale auctions if you are the seller. So for example here, as you can see, I am not the buyer, so I do not have any buy auctions, but I am the seller, so that means when I go on sale auctions, you can see all of these auctions right here. And here we can see the prime examples of these auctions. We can see an INS, a buy now, and a bidding style auction. Now, most of the time you are going to have to finalize an auction, but there are some cases where you don't need to do. There is an example of one here. As you can see here, there has been one set up for sale, and that one has been sold, so you do not have to finalize that because the minimum cap has been reached. But in the others, like on this one and on this one, you need to click finalize. And for an example, I'm just going to show how to finalize. So all you need to do is click finalize. Here you can see that the finalization will cause that the earned funds will be decreased by all referral fees, the royalty fee will be charged, and the service fee will be charged as well. So now all I need to do is click confirm, sign the transaction in my wallet, I'm going to have to wait for the transaction to succeed. And as you can see, I have now finalized this auction. And as you can see, I cannot finalize it again because this has now been finalized. Now, same here, all I need to do is click finalize. And here you can see that the total bids value will be sent to me, the auction tokens will be sent to bidders, and the service fee will be charged. So all you need to do is click confirm, but I'm not going to do that because that is the same process on the finalization that I just did before, and it would take too long. So on a quick recap, most of the time you are going to have to finalize, but not in all occasions. As you can see, there was this one here that I just explained, and also you can need to check if you are the buyer or the seller because these two are here separately.